Hi, good afternoon, friends. I am Bhupendra. I have 12 years of experience in CSAP and SQL Server. During COVID pandemic, I decided to learn new skills which enrich my career in future. And I decided to enroll for complete machine learning and AI course. My trainer was Vavosa. I really enjoyed this course. Thank you for great course. The way of presentation was very good with lots of opportunity to ask questions and talk about real life examples and got opportunities to attend the session which I missed out during regular course time. And the way of course presentation was very good. This course contains both theory and practicals. And during course time, sir has provided lots of time to do a practice. And this course was really enjoyable. And I would like to thank you, sir. Wish you good luck, sir. Thank you.